Hi everyone, this is Kate O'Connor reporting for AVweb from Sun and Fun 2019. I'm here in the cockpit of That's All Brother, the C-47 that led the invasion at D-Day. The aircraft will shortly be headed overseas to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the event. Here's pilot Tom Travis to tell us more about it.
Okay, this is the airplane that led the D-Day invasion, June 6, 1944. And it also participated in Market Garden, Operation Varsity, Crossing of the Rhine, and Operation Relief of Bastogne. So it has quite a history of World War II. It was found in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. It was going to be used as parts for a Basler B-267. And somebody discovered that this was the airplane. And so we bought it, traded a couple of DC-3s for it, and did a ground-up restoration. Basler has just been wonderful for us, and Foundation gave us the money to pay for it all. We're leaving next month, May 15th, from Oxford, Connecticut, and we'll fly what's called the Blue Spruce routes, up north over Greenland, Iceland, Scotland, down to Duxford, England. That's where we'll stage and drop paratroopers over the beaches of Normandy. And after that, we'll go up to Berlin area, then back to the Paris Air Show, back to Duxford, and then start the long trek home. It's a dream to fly. It's the nicest DC-3 obviously I've ever flown. Never flown a new one before. And it's very responsive, very gentle airplane. It's a living piece of history, not only military but airline. The important part in Commemorative Air Force is to teach history, not only to commemorate the veterans and what they did for us to give us the freedoms we enjoy, but to teach the kids that freedom is not free, that a price has to be paid for it.